Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, I'm here to help you master one of the most fundamental exercises in the gym, the squat. Whether you're new to squatting or looking to perfect your form, I've got you covered. First up, we have the classic back squat. This is the king of all squats, targeting your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. To do a proper back squat, position the barbell across your upper back, keep your chest up, and lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to stand back up. Remember, form is key here to avoid injury. Next, let's talk about the front squat. This variation shifts the focus more towards your quads and upper back. Hold the barbell across the front of your shoulders, elbows high, and squat down, keeping your torso as upright as possible. This can be a bit more challenging for your core, but it's great for building leg strength. Now, onto the goblet squat. This one's perfect for beginners. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest, feet shoulder width apart. Squat down as low as you can while keeping your chest up and back flat. It's a great way to learn proper squat mechanics without the barbell. And finally, let's not forget the overhead squat. This is an advanced move that requires a lot of mobility and stability. Hold a barbell overhead with a wide grip, keep your core tight, and squat down while maintaining the barbell's position. It's a killer for improving your overall strength and balance. So there you have it, a quick guide to mastering different squat techniques. Remember, practice makes perfect, and always prioritize form over weight. Happy squatting, and see you in the next video.